Hello, it's Phoebe with your daily dose of banjo. Today we are joined by a special guest. This is Woot. He's a baby wild mallard that turned up in someone's swimming pool all alone with no other ducks around. So we're working on getting him rehabilitated, getting him taken care of so he can get back out in the wild where he belongs. But for now, he's hanging out with us. He's sleeping in my Halloween pumpkin hat because that's his favorite spot now. So I'm just going to play a little bit of music for him and you guys by extension. And yeah, we're just going to have a chill little time with Woot and my gourd banjo. Tune. Did you notice that, buddy? I think he woke up and noticed that it's really warm in here. So how's your day going? Interesting. What do you think, Woot? You have any words for the camera? Is that better? Yeah? What do you think? Is that in tune enough for you, buddy? I think so. I hope I don't scare him. I need coffee. I guess this will just be like an extended jam session. Just gonna noodle around and play for however long Woot wants to sit here and drink coffee. I'm trying to keep it warm in here because he's still really young. He has like maybe 1 or 2 feathers growing in, but it's mostly still just like fluffy down. So I'm trying to make sure he stays warm, which means I am very warm. Let's think, what's another good song to play for a little duck? Not a Tom Petty fan. Do you want to come back? Oh! We're gonna end it there, for he has fled, and I need to make sure he doesn't fall off the place he ran away to. Thank you for coming. This was highly unorganized, but oh, don't fall. Don't fall. Come here. Oh, I got you. Okay. All right. Okay, buddy. Say bye to the camera. I'm gonna put you back in your little spot. Ow. You see this? You see this killer duck? I'm being attacked. Let go. Let go. Vicious. Absolutely vicious. I bet he's hungry. He pooped in the hat. Okay. In you go. Have a snack. That's all. Goodbye.